Hello student, I am going to explain you here the different position of endocrine glands. We know that our body is controlled, coordinated and controlled by two organ system. One is the neural system and another is a chemical coordination or integration. That is the chapter number 20 you will have to study in 11th bio. So in this chemical group of coordination, chemical messengers, hormones are there, which are secreted by two different type of glands present in our body. They are epithelial, glandular epithelial origin, and these are two types, exocrine and endocrine. The exocrine glands directly secrete there is a difference, sometimes question asks, exocrine and endocrine. So exocrine gland directly secrete their secretion, endocrine gland directly secrete their secretion into the blood, but exocrine use ducts, ducts or tubes through which they pour their secretion. As for example, liver is a exocrine gland, pancreas is a mixocrine gland. It secretes its secretion through the ducts as well as directly into the blood. So what are the position, in which position these glands are present in our body? So right, we start from our head. There are three glands present in our skull region. They are hypothalamus, pineal and pituitary. These three glands are located here. You can see hypothalamus, the midbrain, area of the midbrain. Here it is called the floor of the diencephalon, and just in behind it there is a pineal gland, and below that there is a pituitary gland. So these three glands are situated at the mid portion of your brain. Then we have a thyroid gland. So thyroid gland present in this neck region, thyroid, and the parathyroid present in the back side of thyroid gland. Then we have a thymus gland that present near the below the sternum here, the breastbone. And then we have a pancreas gland. Pancreas is below the stomach, in the human digestive system. And then these are the adrenal gland. Ad means above, renal means kidney. So adrenal gland present above the kidney, cap-like structure you are observing. And in male we have a testis, and in female they have a ovary. So these are testis in male and ovaries in females are the also glands, endocrine glands. They form the group. So in this way we can easily locate where the glands are there and what are their secretion. When we talk about the secretion of these glands, we have a different type of hormones secreted by them. Hypothalamus secretes, the nuclear cells release, secretes two type of hormone. One is the releasing, RH means releasing hormone. Another is the inhibiting. So both of the hormones work antagonistically, and in this way communicate or control with the all activities chemically. So releasing hormone stimulate the secretion. As we know that pituitary is the master gland. It controls all the activities of the gland, and it is controlled by the hypothalamus. So it is a controller of control. Hence, it has inhibiting hormone, as for example somatostatin, and releasing hormone as for example GnRH, growth releasing hormone. So pituitary glands having 5 group of cells. They generally control different 5 glands for the somatotropic, thyrotropic, corticotropic, or lactotropic, or gonadotropic. These all are the specific cells in the pancreas which secrete different type of hormone which regulate for the different functions. Pineal gland secretes, it is a ectodermal in origin and secretes the serotonin or melatonin, which melatonin generally control our pigmentation of our body. Thyroid is endodermal in origin. It is the largest gland in our body. Secrete thyroxine, which especially control the basic metabolic rate, BMR, which is in young children the high BMR, and the old age as the age progresses, the BMR is rate is decline. So overall metabolism of fat, carbohydrate, protein is done by this thyroid glands. It has a wide range of function. Separately, I will make you a video for different type of endocrine glands and their hormones and secretion. Here in a brief, we are giving for the introduction of the different type of glands and the prime hormone secret. So in a glance you can know about it. Detailed we will study later. Thymus secreted here. That help in proliferation and maturation of T lymphocyte. That help in immunity. Adrenal gland secreted. The cortex part of adrenal secreted corticosteroids, which are 20 type of different steroidal hormones. And medulla secrete adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Again, these are the emergency hormones. In case of emergency, adrenaline secreted and it enhances the blood circulation, blood pressure, and make the person either fight or flight. And the non-adrenaline brings back to the normal situation. Pancreas secreted 3 different type of hormones. Insulin that drop the sugar level, glucagon increases the sugar level, somatostatin control over the growth or degradation of fat, statin is a fat digesting enzymes, testis or hormones, testis secrete testosterone that bring about secondary sexual character and then primary sexual character, and ovary in female produces estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen bring about menstrual cycle, progesterone is the pregnancy hormone. So in a brief way, I have just explained the different type of